Hi, my name's Esther Bertram and I'm a professional singer-songwriter and guitar teacher. Because of my extensive experience teaching hundreds of people to play guitar, my specialty is teaching absolute beginners, and I've developed a unique system that makes guitar playing easy for anyone, especially those new to the instrument. The price of my course is only the equivalent of 5 one-to-one in-person lessons, yet you receive more like 50 plus equivalent lessons, plus many extras and bonuses. Before I run through all the features in detail, I just want to quickly summarize 3 core differences this course offers. 1, I guarantee it's the fastest way for absolute beginners to start hearing results. This is because I developed a unique training wheels method that allows you to cut a few corners without compromising learning correct playing techniques. You won't find this method used anywhere else, and I guarantee it's the fastest way to hear results. The second difference are the play-along tracks. They develop as you do. Unlike other ways to learn guitar, I give you playback tracks that were made specifically for absolute beginner guitarists, with big gaps between the chord changes to give you time to change. And as you get faster at changing chords, the gaps slowly close. Plus you have the option of with or without singing. This course gives you the perfect beginner's overview because we cover various playing styles such as strumming songs, melody picking, tab, lead, jamming and more. So after completion of this course, you can then go in any direction of guitar playing you wish, because you will have had a taste of what's possible with the instrument. And finally, it is step by step. Gone are the days of losing yourself in the chaos of YouTube. Although I have 2 gyms at the apartment complex where I live, I still joined the professional gym across the road. Why, you may ask, would I spend the extra money? It's because when I'm tired at the end of a long day, I don't want to think about what I need to do at the gym or self-motivate myself to go. I just want to be in a class and be told what to do, and I can relax knowing that a professional is leading the way. So long as I show up, do what they say, I know I'm making progress and doing the correct technique. It's the same with this course. As long as you show up and follow my lead, I guarantee you'll be playing guitar with proper technique and in a way that is tailored to an absolute beginner like yourself. In this course, I've put together my decades of knowledge to save you going through the same mistakes that I did. You can just cut to the core essentials in an easy to follow step-by-step way. Plus it only costs the equivalent of 5 one-to-one in-person lessons. And it covers more like 50 plus lessons of content, including 122 play-along tracks, bonuses and more. Plus it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're ready to start your guitar playing journey, just scroll down and click enroll, and I'll see you on the inside.